Tried to raise funding for your startup from traditional VCs and failed? Traditional VCs don't want to hear about your B2C product in an already dense B2C ecosystem? Traditional VCs making you feel small and insignificant? Well, that's because you have been going to the wrong venture capitals. We at Krypton VC believe that the new B2C startup world and its potential cannot be investigated by well-dressed investment bankers, as it used to be in the traditional VC world. But rather, only the real world can determine your startup's potential and success. So that's exactly where we test it. Krypton VC controls over 1% of global internet marketing traffic, an immeasurable value to B2C startups. As part of our unique investment mechanism, we created a special phase called the Mass Intelligence Stage, during which we expose the startup to our huge traffic base, letting the real world determine its strengths and weaknesses. If we see that product has a heartbeat and the potential for a multi-million-dollar company, we move forward with the investment full steam. If, on the other hand, we see no heartbeat in the product or no multi-million-dollar company potential, we don't take equity, and each side continues in its separate ways. This creates a win-win situation for both Krypton and its startups. If all goes well, everybody wins. If, however, the startup doesn't succeed, you won't be left with a reluctant VC holding your equity and weighing you down. So, who are we looking for? Business-to-consumer ventures with a worldwide international appeal. A full-time, fully dedicated winning team. A ready or almost ready to launch to the mass market product. So, just to recap, we are an investment firm that breaks the traditional investment methodologies. If your startup answers the mentioned criteria, and you think you have what it takes to become one of Krypton VC's startups, check us out at www.kryptonvc.com, where you will be able to read more about us and our recent investments, and find an application form to the fund. Krypton Venture Capital. We don't speculate, we win.